I'd like to give a brief introduction of our latest motorcycle side bag, model No. MTR2050. Firstly, I will show you different sides of this product: front, side, back, bottom. This product has excellent support by adding removable peel PP board inside, which can make the whole bag sturdy and stylish even when it is not loaded with any items. Now let me open this bag to show the internal structure. Loosen top and two sides of the buckle. Then open the bag. First you would see is a waterproof detachable inner bag. And gray color is resistant to dirt at the same time, but also easy to find the items. Open the zipper at the connection between the waterproof inner bag and the bag body. Take out the inner bag. Our waterproof inner bag has been tested by 6,000 mm water pressure and can achieve complete. There is no need to worry about the contents of the bag getting wet in heavy rain. Inside we applied 5 plates to support. We designed sides and bottom plates to be detachable. Easy to portable and volume saving. The 3 panels on both sides and the bottom are connected by hardware chains. The 3 panels can be folded and stored with each other. And the body of the bag is fixed by a 4-in-1 buckle, which is very stable and reliable. The material of the plate we choose new PP material. Specific excellent toughness and strength. Bending into 180 degrees will not break, but also can restore the original shape. Thickness of single plate up to 3 mm. In the actual crash and violent tests we carried out, the bag would deform on impact, but would immediately regain its firm shape. Our fabric is made of 120D higher density and stronger materials, which is wear resistant and tear resistant. The back side of the fabric is treated with a double layer laminated backing, which enhances the strength of the whole fabric, and the overall thickness of the fabric is close to 80 silk. The surface of the fabric has been treated with waterproof treatment, and the rainwater automatically slides off. I'll show you how to install it on motorcycle. Step 1. Grab the webbing of the back buckle with one hand, pull the buckle hook, and hang it directly on the motorcycle side frame. Our hooks are suitable for a maximum of 23 mm side rack pull diameter, and with the shim, can be used for different rod diameter of side frames. Step 2. Loosen the double side webbing buckles. Thread one end through the side frame. Back through and connect to the female buckle. Adjust to the right size. Press the press studs firmly to lock in place, and then store the excess webbing. Step 3. Thread the 2 webbing buckle on the bottom of the bag through side rack rod on the bottom. Back through to connect with female buckle. Adjust it to the appropriate size. Also press the tight buckle lock. Store excess webbing. Complete the installation. When installing 2 side bags at the same time, the 2 webbing buckles on the back can be connected to each other to enhance the load carrying capability of the bag. The buckle webbing on the back can not only enhance the load carrying capability, but can also be used as a single shoulder strap for easy carrying.